Hi everyone, it's Make It in Minutes Monday, and we are super excited to show this card to you. Here's just a quick fun fold using this marvelous designer series paper called Storybook Gnomes, and I just love the colors of it. It's so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. We're going to be using our Kindest Gnomes stamp set. It does come as a bundle right here with the die. So first things first is we're going to do some die cutting right away. I'm going to get these ready, and we're just using basic white for the second to the largest circle. We're going to put these on here. All right, so now we have our pieces. I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping next. Okay, we're going to be using Bermuda Bay ink. And the smaller one, you know me so well. And for our inside piece, we're going to go ahead and stamp Your Kindness Does Not Go Unnoticed. In the meantime, we got our card base here, and all the measurements will be in a link below. We're going to score or burnish on the 4 1/4 inch side. On the part where we score at 1 1/4, I believe it is. Yeah, 1 1/4 and 4 1/4. We're going to bend it backwards. So this is our fold, and then this piece is just going to go back on itself. We're going to get our Tombow adhesive or green glue, and we're going to start putting our pieces on. So quick and easy. I want this side showing, so I'm going to put the adhesive on the back side. We're going to take and make sure this is folded down, and we're going to put this piece right on the right side of it. And I'm just going to flip this over to make sure that they're lining up properly, and they are. Okay, we're going to close that up again. Look at that, isn't that cute? Love it. So we're going to take this piece. We're almost done, you guys. Hold on. We're going to grab some dimensionals, and I'm just going to kind of lay her here, just depending upon where I stamped my image or my greeting. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put just a strip of glue right down the middle of this, okay? Now, last but not least, we're going to come in with our adhesive back sequins, and we're going to add some of these middle bluish colored ones using our Take Your Pick tool. And there we go. You guys, isn't this quick and easy and super adorable? I just love it. And it makes it so much easier when the dies for the stamp set match the designer series paper. Stampin' Up! Loves to do that for their products. So anyway, here's the one I did earlier. Here's the one we did together. If you have any questions, please let us know. And also, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you are subscribed to our newsletter. You can find a link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.